Action!
Well, the first fight sequence is supposed to take 30 seconds. Now we've just finished cutting the first fight scene and it's 1 minute and 38 seconds. So I over choreographed. Right now we're exporting version 2. We finished cutting the entire film. I've tried to keep it as fast forwarded and as cut as possible. And yet we still have a 3-minute cut. The time limit for the submission is 2 minutes, so either way we're gonna have to cut out an entire minute chunk from the film.
That's 1/3 of the film.
Yeah, that's 1/3 of the film right now. So you might be wondering how we're gonna do the first person view. The camera is squarish and there's pretty much nothing to attach to yourself. What I'm gonna do, or rather what I have done, is use one of this little disposable, I mean it's not disposable but it's disposable to us, it's cheap, a small tripod, and modify it with tape and cling wrap into this. It's a tripod base, so it screws on like any other. And there you have it. It's a rig that goes in your mouth. And go